Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you seen yesterday, we learned how to give constraints to our sketches. Now today we are going to learn operations that perform on the sketches or whatever will be their profile art. Okay, so now one thing is remaining to learn that how to check that our sketch is fully constrained or over constraint or under constraint. So okay, now we can start. So suppose this is the rectangle. Okay, now I will give constraint then. Okay, see, here is one option that sketch solving status. Okay, click on that line, that command. Here see ISO constant. Remember one thing, your sketch always must be ISO constant, not over constant or not under constant. Okay, now see this these sketches are ISO constant. Now I am adding one extra constant. See your sketch, your constant is in purple color. Now we can check the status. See here you can display over constant. Okay, so like this you can check your sketch is or your whatever geometry is over constant, under constant or ISO constant. Now let's see one example of under constant. See, see, there is one sketch. I can give constant to them. Now see, I don't give constant to this entity. So location of this entity is see, this line is moving. Now we can check the status. See, this is over constant because of this. Okay, let's see. I can delete this. Now you can check. See, under constant because you this cage is not fully closed and this entity is moving up and down and right and left. Okay, so we required fully constant ISO constant. Okay, so now I am giving constant to this line with respect to horizontal. Now you can check. See, under constant I have to give constant to this point. See, okay. Now you can check. This is ISO constant. So like this you can check over constant, under constant and ISO constant. Now here is one another option, sketch analysis. In using this option you can check whether your sketch is closed or not. For For ISO constant, you have to remember that your sketch must be closed. Now see, this is one sketch. See, this is not closed. Okay. Now click on this option, sketch analysis. You see, usually there is open. Means sketch is our sketch is not closed. Okay. And now I will draw one rectangle. Now see your sketch is here showing is closed. Okay. So like this, remember that your sketch must be closed and ISO constant. Okay. Now we are going to learn different operations that perform on our sketch or whatever geometry. Okay. Now suppose I am taking rectangle. Okay. I will give constant to them. See, your sketch is closed and ISO constant. ISO constant. Okay. So now we have to perform our operation is that corner. So click on corner button, click one edge and second edge. See, yes, now see, here is corner. It's automatically constant because your previous rectangle is constant. Okay, so you can double click on this. You can change radius of this circle. You 15. Okay, see, sorry, it's not circle. It's a arc. It's corner. Okay. Now see, click on this. You can give as many as corners you want to give. For rectangle, you can give four corners. Okay. See, you can give corners only to adjacent sides. Okay. See, suppose this is a rectangle, one triangle, and you have to give corner to them. So select two adjacent edges, one, two. See, you can give corner to them like this. So like this you can use corner command. Now we are seeing that we are going to see chamfer operation. Okay. So suppose this is a rectangle, click on chamfer, select two adjacent edges, one, two, three. So like this you can give chamfer. It will be automatically constant. And remaining constant you have to give with constant area. Okay. So like this you can use chamfer operation. So for today we will finish the lecture. Next command uh, we have to see trim, trim, lead. Okay, mirror. So we can see these commands in our next video.